Hi there. Excuse me, are you moving in today?
Oh, hello. Yes, I am. I am just bringing in these last few boxes.
That is wonderful. Welcome to the building. I am your neighbor from apartment 4B.
It is nice to meet you. I'm James. I am in apartment 4A.
I'm Chloe. Nice to meet you, James. Do you need any help with that big box? It looks very heavy.
No, thank you, Chloe. I think I can manage it. It is mostly just books and clothes.
Okay, but be careful. So, where are you moving from?
I am moving from the city center. It was too loud there. I wanted to live somewhere quieter.
Oh, I understand completely. This neighborhood is very quiet, and the people here are very friendly.
That is good to hear. How long have you lived here, Chloe?
I have lived here for 3 years. I really love it. There is a beautiful park just down the street.
Really? I love parks. I like to go jogging in the morning. Is it a big park?
It is not huge, but it is very green and clean. Many people walk their dogs there.
Dogs. That reminds me. Does this building allow pets? I do not have one yet, but I want to get a cat soon.
Yes, pets are allowed. I have a small dog named Max. You'll probably hear him barking sometimes. I apologize in advance.
Do not worry. I love animals. So, what do you do for work, Chloe?
I work as a graphic designer. I mostly work from home. What about you?
I am a teacher. I teach history at the local high school. It is only a 10-minute drive from here.
That is very convenient. By the way, do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee every day. Why do you ask?
There is a fantastic coffee shop on the corner. It is called The Daily Grind. They have the best cappuccino in town.
I will definitely try it tomorrow morning. I need a lot of coffee to help me unpack all these boxes.
I can imagine. Unpacking is the hardest part of moving. Do you have everything you need? If you need tools or cleaning supplies, you can ask me.
That is very kind of you. Actually, I might need a screwdriver later. I cannot find mine in these boxes.
No problem. Just knock on my door when you need it. Oh, I should also tell you about the trash collection.
Right. When do they collect the trash?
They come on Tuesday and Friday mornings. You need to put your bags outside before 8 a.m.
Tuesday and Friday. Got it. Thank you for the information. I always forget trash day when I move to a new place.
We all do it. Is this your first time living in this part of the city?
Yes, it is. I grew up in a small town. Then I lived in the city center for 5 years. This feels like a nice mix between the two.
I think so too. It is calm, but you're still close to everything. The supermarket is just 2 blocks away.
That is good to know. I need to buy some groceries later. My fridge is completely empty right now.
If you go to the supermarket, you should get their fresh bread. It is delicious.
Fresh bread sounds amazing. I'm getting hungry just thinking about it.
Well, I'll let you get back to your boxes. I do not want to keep you from unpacking.
It was really nice meeting you, Chloe. Thank you for the warm welcome.
It was nice meeting you too, James. Good luck with the unpacking, and welcome to the neighborhood again.
Thank you. I will knock on your door later for that screwdriver.
Please do. See you later, James.
See you later, Chloe. Have a good day.